what you're going to do is always come up from the back. So I'm going to start right here. Just come up right at the tip of the loop that we're going to do, and what we want to do is go right back down, not in the same exact hole, but very, very, very close, and then come up right on the inside of where the loop is going to be, like the top of the loop. So if you can see where my needle is coming up here. So I'm going to pull it out there very slowly because I want to keep the loop. So I want the loop to come around my stitch. See how it's making a loop there and my stitch is coming right up around it? Just like that, very gently. And then I'm going to stick my needle right on the other side of that loop to hold it down. Very gently. And you don't want to pull these too tight, otherwise your loop stitch will come out to be almost straight. And you don't want it straight, you want it to look like a flower, so you want it a little loopy. So I'm going to come over here and do another one. Come up right at the tip. Then we're going to go back down right almost in the exact same spot and come up right before the edge of where I want the loop to end. Don't pull it all the way, because when it gets close, I want that loop around my thread, just like that, and then go right back down, and then hold it in place. This is probably one of the trickier stitches for stamped embroidery, but it also looks really nice when it's finished. Okay, so we're going to go down again, come right up just at the end. Don't pull it all the way, because I want my needle coming through there, just like that. Okay, I'll do a couple more just because I know this stitch is one of the more difficult ones. There. See how pretty that's coming out? It's really starting to look like a flower now. There, and that's how you do the loop stitches.